Participants, in the last class we discussed about forgetting. On today here in this class we are to discuss about the types of forgetting. Means what are those categories or types. And once we study about forgetting, we see that there are various or certain types of forgetting, and these types may be described as natural forgetting or normal forgetting. Second category of types is morbid or abnormal forgetting. Third category is general and specific forgetting. Fourth one is physical or organic and psychological forgetting. If it is asked to write in the examination about the types of forgetting, suppose you have written as natural or normal forgetting. Suppose a simple question or short question is asked to you to write what is the other name of natural forgetting, then you are to write about normal forgetting. What is the other name of morbid forgetting? Then you are to write as abnormal forgetting. And then for general and specific, there is no other name. And if it is asked to write about the other name of physical forgetting, then either you are to write as organic forgetting or physical or organic. You are to write as either physical or organic forgetting, and last one which does not have any another name, that is psychological forgetting. So these are the various types of forgetting: natural or normal, morbid or abnormal, general and specific, physical or organic, and psychological. Let us see the second slide. This is class number 27. Then what is natural, the other name normal or passive forgetting? There is also another name, that is passive forgetting. Natural or normal or passive forgetting, either natural or other name is normal or the other name is passive forgetting. Why it occurs? Occurs in natural way without any effort or attempt with the passage of time. Friends, because of the passage of time, there will be physiological deformity. Means the power of physiology will be to some extent lost, and because of this we are bound to forget so many things. And this is natural or normal or passive forgetting. Let us see the next slide. Then for what is morbid? The other name is abnormal forgetting. In morbid or abnormal forgetting, a person deliberately forgets. Means deliberately forgets and consciously represses the unpleasant and painful material or painful image or information or experiences to be forgotten into the unconscious. Means we do not, the images which we do not like to regain back, which we do not like to remember, forcefully we try to throw the images of such events or such situations or such unpleasant happenings of our life to the unconscious level of our mind, and we try to forget permanently. And such type of forgetting is basically known as either morbid forgetting or abnormal forgetting. Let us see the next slide. This is general and specific type of forgetting. And in general forgetting, there is a total loss of previously learned material. As a whole, we forget. We never can become able to bring back the images or image from the unconscious mind to the conscious level of mind. Whereas in specific forgetting, there is partial loss, not total loss, or loss of specific parts of previously learned material or previously stored image or images in the unconscious mind, and we try to we basically partially become unable to bring back the total idea to the or total image to the conscious level of mind. And such type of forgetting is basically known as either general forgetting and at the same time specific forgetting, which we specifically fail to bring back the image, learned image from the unconscious mind to the conscious level of mind. Let us see the next slide. The another type is physical type of forgetting or organic forgetting, means which has specific link with our physiology. In physical or organic forgetting, certain physical illness, factors of age, diseases, biological malfunctioning because of disturbance in human physiology of the brain and nervous system of the human body, accidents, consumption of liquor or other intoxication materials, etc., bear influence. So friends, what are the reasons if it is asked to write about the physical or causes of physical or organic forgetting, then we are to write about physical illness. Because of physical illness, physical or organic forgetting results. Factors of age, also another responsible factor for forgetting related to the physiological or physical or organic parameter, and diseases is another most important reason or cause for physical or organic forgetting. Then biological malfunctioning, because of the malfunctioning of our physiology, we forget. What? Biological malfunctioning of the brain and the nervous system. When we forget, when we fail to bring back the stored image from the unconscious mind to the conscious level, then such type of forgetting is also known as either physical forgetting or organic forgetting. Then because of accidents also we may forget, or there may be destruction in the storehouse of memory, means we may fail to bring back the stored memory images from the unconscious mind to the conscious level, and this type of forgetting is also known as either physical forgetting or organic forgetting. And because of consumption of liquor or other intoxication materials, means intoxicating materials, etc., whenever we forget, such type of forgetting is also included in physical forgetting category or organic forgetting category, or known as either physical forgetting or organic forgetting. Let us see the next slide. As the forgetting has link with physiological condition or conditions, it is said to be physical or organic forgetting. Means in the earlier slide, in slide number 5, we have explained about physical forgetting, and such forgetting, as such type of forgetting has link with physiological condition or physiological conditions or physiological status. It is said to be physical or organic forgetting. But in case loss of memory occurs due to psychological factor like stress, anxiety, conflicts, temper provocation, lack of interest, aversion, apathy, repression, or similar other emotional and psychic difficulties, the resulting forgetfulness is termed as psychological. So friends, here the definition of physiological forgetting, at the same time either physiological forgetting or organic forgetting as well as psychological forgetting has well been placed for your consideration. On the causes or reasons of physical forgetting or organic forgetting have already been indicated in the earlier slide, and here you see the reasons or the specific causes link with psychological forgetting, such as physiopsychological factors like stress is one of the reasons for psychological forgetting. Anxiety is another cause of psychological forgetting. Conflicts also may be the another most important psychological cause of psychological forgetting. Temper provocation, because of temper provocation we forget, and this type of forgetting is psychological forgetting. Lack of interest is another most important reasons or causes for which we forget, and such type of forgetting is also known as psychological forgetting. Aversion, apathy, repression or similar other emotional and psychic difficulties which have concerned with human psychic level are basically known as psychological forgetting. So friends, dear participants, here in this class we have elaborated about the different types of forgetting and the specific reasons which do have link with various types of forgetting, and by coming or by knowing about the types as well as the reasons, to some extent it is possible for all of us to to help to reduce the volume of forgetting by not involving or by protecting the reasons, or by standing fence before the reasons, or by modifying our physiological as well as psychological behavioral pattern, we can reduce the volume of forgetting, which is very much to some extent harmful for the natural growth of human personality. And that's why for the natural normal growth of personality, our concerning to forgetting must be quite sound, and our knowledge should be quite clear, and we have to be mindful towards the specific reasons for which we basically forget. To some extent we can block the reasons, but the age related forgetting cannot be to some extent blocked, and we forget whenever we become aged, and such type of forgetting can to be reduced. But the other types of forgetting to some extent, as for example psychological forgetting, the volume can be reduced, and it is better to reduce the volume so that we can become successful in developing all the personality attributes. Means for the development of holistic personality, our concerning to forgetting should be much clear, and we should better know all the types as well as reasons for various types of forgetting, except or leaving simply the as a cause of passing the particularly reaching the post-adult stage. Other causes can be blocked or can be reduced, and by doing so we can reduce the volume of forgetting, which basically helps us to develop our holistic personality, which is the prime concern of our life. So friends, thank you so much for today. Other things will be discussed, means a little bit is left to discuss, and that part will be well discussed in the coming class. Thank you so much.